Hello and welcome to Ninja Sauce. On today's video, we're gonna look at how we can edit our customer information in our CloudBiz software. So first thing we need to do is to navigate to contacts from our main menu. Then we need to navigate to customers from our contacts menu. Below filters and add button, we can see all of our contacts. So from the row of all the customers, we need to hover over to actions corresponding to that specific customer that we wish to add information for. Then we need to click on actions and we click on added. For instance, I want to add information of this customer, Mr. James Joyce. I want to add his email ID. So I will click on added, and as we can see, here's an option to add information for that specific customer. For instance, okay, so we have just added our email ID, and if we click on more information, then we have some other relevant fields. So if you want to add any further additional information, you can add there as well. And then we hit update. So alert message will pop up that you have successfully updated your customers information. So that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a blessed day.